So you've bought NFL Sunday ticket and you want to share it with your family or friends? Before you do, you need to know the rules because getting it wrong can get you banned. Here's a detailed guide on how to share a Sunday ticket in 2025 without any issues. The most important thing to remember is that NFL Sunday ticket is intended for a single household. This is a strict rule that YouTube enforces. You can share your subscription with up to 5 other people in a Google family group, but they must all live in the same house as you. Sharing with a friend who lives across town is a violation of the rules. This is where it gets a little more flexible. You can have unlimited simultaneous streams if everyone is watching from your home network. So if you and your family are all at home, you can have a game on the TV, another on a laptop, and a third on a tablet. But if you are outside your home, you are limited to 2 additional streams. This means you can be at a coffee shop on your phone, and one other family member can be watching from their home network. That's a total of 3 streams at once, but only 2 can be outside the home network. To share with your family, you need to set up a Google Family group. Open your Google settings and go to Family. Add up to 5 family members to your group using their email addresses. Once they accept, they will have access to your NFL Sunday ticket subscription. Each person will use their own Google account to watch. This is the only way to officially share your subscription. To be safe, never share your personal account logged in with anyone outside of your household. Your family members should use their own Google accounts to access the service through the family group. YouTube system can detect if multiple users are logging in from completely different locations, which is a major red flag for account sharing. The best way to enjoy NFL Sunday Ticket is with your family and a big group of friends on the same couch.